This foreign man was trying to save a very special Japanese bird that he saw in distress on the beach. The young bird was in a lot of pain and under a lot of stress.
I can hear. This is a fishing hook.
It had been entangled in a fishing lure between its wing and its neck, unable to feed, unable to fly. It was doomed to die. The man and his young son were able to work together to free the lure from the wing and the neck of the bird.
See that?
It was one of those Japanese
Here's the lure,
small
guys.
style fishing lures.
This one, but just come outside.
After checking the bird over thoroughly and making sure there was no other damage, they decided to release the bird where they found it, right out of the front of their guest house in
I'm going to let you
Chiba.
go and keep it flat. Thank you.
Good work, mate.
Amazing, beautiful nature deserves to be saved each and every time. This is a happy ending of a great story.